In this video, I'm going to discuss numerical derivative by using Casio fx-570ES plus calculators. I'm going to show you how to differentiate 3x squared plus 5 at this differentiation point x equal to 5. And I'm going to show you how to do this with the max input-output and the linear input-output. And let's start with the max input-output first. Let's switch on the calculators. As we learned before, that for max input-output, it uses container system. So if we would like to perform a calculation, we insert the container first. And the container for differentiation is here, okay? So shift differentiation. So this is a container, and then we have two subcontainer. This one is for the functions, and this one for the differentiation point. The function is 3x squared plus 5. So 3 alpha x squared plus 5, and then we use the right buttons to move to the differentiation point, and the differentiation point is 5. So 5. Okay, so that's how to get the answer. And for linear input-output, is more or less the same. We start with this differentiations, shift differentiations, and then we key in the functions 3 alpha x squared plus 5, and then we split this differentiation point from the functions by using the comma. So shift comma and then 5 and close brackets. Okay, so we get the same answer. Okay, so let's try another more complicated functions. Let's switch on the calculator first. Okay, let's start with the container. So shift differentiations, and then we can see that we have a fraction here, so we need to insert another containers. So the container for fractions. The numerator is x log x. So shift x log x. Okay, and then close the bracket, and then let's move to the denominator, and the denominator is sine x. So sine alpha x, and close the bracket. Then let's move to the differentiation point one more time. So the differentiation point is 15. So 1, 5 equal. So this is the answer. Yep. Okay, how about this linear input-output? So for linear input-output, we start with differentiations, and then let's key in the functions. Now this one, we don't need to insert the container. We can straight away start with the numerator. Alpha x log x, and let's close the brackets, and then over sine x, sine alpha x, and then close the bracket, and then comma, shift comma, the differentiation point 15, 1, 5, and then close the bracket. Yeah, so that's the answer. So that's how we perform numerical derivative by using our Casio fx-570ES plus calculator.